Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charge to tune into the market beast, Napoleon Macro. All right, so Tesla had a wonderful day today. I actually want to show you something in the charts that may blow your mind. We also have a price target if the thumbnail doesn't give it away. I'm actually going to show you something that suggests that Tesla is breaking out. It looks pretty intense and extreme to the bears, and they may be getting anxiously ready to bet against the market, but actually, not so fast. You might not want to do that because this momentum on this move may not be done just yet. Even if it's exhausted tomorrow, that's fine, which I'm not saying that that's going to happen. But we'll get into the details, guys. I'm going to show you the pattern that we found. I'm going to go over the target, and we're going to explain why I say that this move may not be over just yet. So let's dive to the charts here, shall we? So today's October the 25th, 2021, and the previous close of Tesla, $1,024.86, slightly positive 12.6% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, I want to make this pretty straight to the point video. So here's the falling wedge that we found. This is not something we just put on the chart. In fact, back in July the 1st, 2021, if you notice, $679 at the time. Title suggests, is Tesla breaking out? Right now, we were asking a question, and it looks like that's exactly what was taking place. It broke out the same original lines. We had a conservative price target of about $884. That has been obliterated. And what I'm expecting to see now is pretty simple, actually. So here's, again, this is the original lines that we had. It already reached the target, exceeded the target. Some of you saying, come on, Napoleon, what are we supposed to do with this information, bro? How can we make money on this? Well, let me just kind of show you something here, because the reason that I say this move may not be over just yet, because what I want to do is I want to show them, with the exception of the falling wedge, I actually want to pull up a sideways consolidation range, something like such, okay? Something like this. Now, one may argue, okay, hang on, that's not a consolidation range, man. What are you just putting up some lines on the chart? Actually, let me give you a second. I just want to show you something. All right, so this is basically the entry of this sideways consolidation range, and this is going to be the exit. We're looking at the weekly candles here. So this candle over here is the exit of this consolidation range. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out is because if you follow us for some time, you'll know that when you find a consolidation range, the time frame that the range spent, the consolidation that took place within the range, the time is important, because the more time that it consolidates, the more aggressive the breakout will be when the breakout happens. Markets can't just stay sideways forever. They have to break out, whether it's to the upside or the downside. And in this case, it's to the upside, okay? So we're basically going to measure how much time did Tesla consolidate within this very large range. Let me see if I can get some numbers for you guys. So the lower portion of this range is going to be $570, and the highest portion of this sideways consolidation is going to be $882. So basically, the time frame that is spent within this consolidation range from the break in to the breakout is going to be 329 days. Now, that's almost a full year of consolidating, and we're only 1 week out of a 329 consolidation range. So I do something like super basic. This might be like elementary stuff, but like I just take like a basic measurement of the range to get a super practical target. So what I'm going to do is just take a simple trend line and measure from the top portion of this. Maybe it's kind of arbitrary. I'd argue that, but I think it's pretty clear to see it's a sideways consolidation range just by simply measuring the weekly candles, the break in and the break out, right? So I'm going to take a trend line, again, measure from the lower portion of this range and the top portion of this range. And sometimes it gives you just a general idea of where the market could go up to. And you just take that trend line. It's kind of like elementary school, right? But it works sometimes. It actually works a lot. And that price target, very conservative, is going to be just $1,200, $1,203. So from the current level up to $1,200 and $3. If you're watching this now, it's happening. You can go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb below the video. That's like a 17% move to the upside from the close. Now, I'm not sure where Tesla is. We tape 1 day ahead. That's my conservative price target. It's already obliterated our conservative price target, right? So I guess it's my second conservative price target, $1,203. There's a lot of momentum here, guys. If you're thinking of betting against this market, I mean, you do as you wish, but I don't think it's a good idea to start betting against the market as soon as it breaks out of a 329-day consolidation range. I would wait for an exhaustion candle. I'm not saying I'm actually gonna bet against Tesla, but I'm the neutral party. Okay, if they're the bulls, I mean, it looks like there's more momentum. If you want to bet against Tesla, which I can't give you financial advice, I would wait for an exhaustion candle. I don't see any sign of exhaustion here. I see a sign of you had better get out of the way, because this market has at least another 17% of a thrust to the upside. So if you bet against it, that's on you, my friend. And that is the end of this video. Let's see how this ages. Let me know if Tesla's like below $1,000 right now. You're like, dude, you just cannot get it right. That's pretty much, that's all I have, guys. The time frame, less than 2 weeks. Yeah, there's a lot of momentum. We verified consolidation range. We verified the breakout, the green circle. So it is showtime. Yeah, it's showtime. And that's the end of the video. That's how we're gonna end it out, guys. So Tesla looks bullish. Get out of the way, bears. All right. So if you don't mind supporting the channel before you leave there, I'd appreciate it if you can leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video in the channel. Thank you for your support. Also, if you're new, we explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send that out to you guys momentarily. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate your time. Remember to execute your strategies. Please have a plan before you enter these markets. Know where you're going to take a stop loss, at least, even if you don't know where you're going to take profits. That's important, all right? Remember, keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.